Glendalough Wicklow Mountain, Ireland.
It's raining.
We are in Glendalough. We bring in slaving for the first time slaving. We are in nature. Baba.
Come on. Yeah?
Lower Lake. Daddy and baby, they are having so much fun.
What a view. Huh?
Slaving.
Huh?
Slaving. I love you.
It's okay. Say something. You love us, thank you. I just love this place. This is Glendalough Upper Lake.
Upper Lake. He said mommy, mommy, the best word a mother could hear. Amazing place to visit in Ireland.